Hello everyone, I am Kadi Mahmudul Hassan Khadem from Civil and Environmental Engineering Department, North South University. Today I will show you the experiment how to measure the penetration value of bituminous materials. Bitumen is available in number of grades. The choice of grades depends on the surfacing type as well as climatic condition. For example, the consistency of a sample of bitumen by determining the distance in tenth of a millimeter, that a standard needle vertically penetrates in the bitumen specimen under load condition. Under its loading, that is 100 grams. The time needs 5 seconds and temperature that is 25 degrees Celsius. Now I will show you the required apparatus for this test. Penetrometer. This apparatus consists with a penetration needle with plunger and weight assembly which is attached with calibrated dial. A thermometer for water bath. Thermometer having least count of 0.2 degree Celsius. A stopwatch. This device may be used provided it is graduated in 0.1 second or less and is accurate to within plus or minus 0.1 second for a 60-second interval. A container which the sample is tested. Its inside diameter is 55 mm and the depth is 35 mm. The needle shall be made from fully hardened and tempered stainless steel, shall be approximately 50 mm in length and 1.0 to 1.02 mm in diameter. A water bath for maintained at a temperature varying not more than 0.1 degree Celsius from the temperature of test. The volume of water shall not be less than 10 liters. A hot plate for provided the heating the samples. Now I will start the experiment. First, prepare the sample. Bitumen is heated to a pouring consistency about 75 degree to 100 degrees Celsius above the temperature at which bitumen softens the sample material is thoroughly stirred to make it homogeneous and free from air bubbles and water. Now bitumen sample poured into the container of 35 mm depth. Now bitumen sample placed in water bath maintained 25 degrees Celsius for a period of 60 to 90 minutes. Now place the sample container under the needle of penetrometer. Also at this time room temperature is maintained 25 degrees Celsius. Using the adjusting screw, the needle is lowered and the tip of the needle is made to just top surface of the bitumen sample and the needle assembly is clamped in this position. The initial reading of the penetrometer dial is either adjusted to 0 or the initial reading is taken before releasing the needle. Now release the needle exactly for 5 seconds by pressing the knob, where the release time is measured by precious stopwatch. Our first penetration value is 68. After each test, the needle is cleaned with trichloroethylene and dried. At least 3 such measurements are made on this sample. Is a testing distance is not less than 10 mm apart. This is second penetration and the value is 71. The penetration value reported shall be the mean of not less than 3 determinations whose values do not differ by more than the amount shown. Here I take 3 readings. The average of these 3 readings is giving the penetration value of this sample. Our first penetration value is 68, second penetration value is 71 and third penetration value is 69.5. In this penetration value, maximum difference is not more than 4. So the average is 69.5. So we can conclude that this specimen satisfies the criteria of penetration and is good for construction. Thank you everyone for watching this experiment video.